Hey, welcome to ManKitchenRecipes. I am Kevin, and you know, we have to put a title in on our videos, so there's no surprising you. I've got a deep fryer that VEVOR sent me. I think they watched my 22-inch griddle cooks where I deep fried the onion strings, and they're like, hey, this guy needs a deep fryer. So let's check this out. Let me get this unboxed for you, and we'll go over it. Ready? Here we go. All right, there you go. Put together, unboxed. There's no putting together. You do have to put this handle on there. That's it. You just got to take everything apart. Now, I'll turn this up a little bit. Okay, I will say the packaging was very, very well packaged. And I got to tell you, the stainless steel comes with this plastic cover on it. And it takes longer to get this plastic cover off than anything. All right, so with the plastic, without the plastic. That side. All right, it's all stainless steel. Let me just bring you in closer and we'll talk about it a little more. Okay, so here it is. Comes with two baskets, two different controllers, so you can just use one side or both. This just lifts right out. And then this container here is 9.1 quarts. The basket is 4 quarts. And just set your heating element in here. Slides back into a hole, and then this can either hook up here and deep frying, just put it on down in there, and of course put the lid on it just like that. When you're done, put it up there. So you know I like to deep fry, so this is going to be a lot of fun. So what I'm going to ask you guys is, what do you want to see me deep fry in this? And you know, if you want to get one of these on Amazon, there's a link below. It's regular, I think, $129, and you can get it as low as $109. And you know, I think we're going to have a discount code, so check below. Check out this deep fryer. Let me know what you want me to cook on it, and or deep fry in it, and we'll go from there, because we're going to be doing a lot of deep fries. Okay, so that's the VEVOR 2-basket deep fryer. Let me know what you want to see. We'll deep fry all kinds of stuff. And thanks for watching. Come back and see which one I pick. Have a good day.